Hey guys, I'm going to be playing some Unturned today. It's a free game for Mac and Windows on Steam, if you want to try it out for yourself. It's the first time I've been on for I don't even know. So I'm just going to try this out on single player, see how I do. Yeah, that wasn't. Let me just start up a new world. I think I have to get rid of the port or something. I don't know. My God. Okay. Just let me I know I can fix this. We just gotta put all of this crap Come on, right click, I know you can do it. Then we gotta put this crap in here. Come on, right click, I know you can do it. There. Come on. You know what? I'll just play on here. Look at this guy. Doesn't know what he's doing. I'll start off with a pickaxe, 2 canteens, and a board. And a backpack. It's my only weapon, so... Got a thing for a gun. Bob. Machete. Ooh, a cross. Oh. Come on. Let's do this. Ow, you little bitch. Oh, a hat. I'm so wearing this. Also in this game, you can honk your horn. Oh, you wanted to know that? I find it weird when you hit a zombie, the blood doesn't splatter on the car. So now I'm just gonna try and run over this deer. Oh, come on. Straight into a tree. Come on! How bad of a driver am I? Where'd that deer go? Oh, no way, it ran into my fences. That is so funny that actually worked. Oh, it ran into the barbed wire that I made. I made this stuff, you're not gonna find it. Yeah, this is what deer drop. You can cook it with food. I mean, cook it with a campfire, not food. Wire. Cantaloupe. Sleeping bag. You can find random sleeping bags or make them. That's what they look like. You can claim them, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to lose my house. There. Got our first weapon now. A hammer. Look at these guys. What are you doing? Why are you so stupid? Ow. Die. There. I don't really think I see a difference in the pickaxe or anything. Oop. Got some moldy water. If you click tab if you're playing this game and you click skills, you'll notice this. That you can upgrade shit. I think I'll do endurance. Why are they all so stupid? They all ran into the barbed wire. Like, how did this guy die? He's like right here. Like, come on. Ooh, I found out. What is that? Oh, I almost walked into the barbed wire. Oh, it bit me. Oop, we got a pharmacy here. We can heal up. Purification tablets. Another zombie walked into the fence. Gotta do is equip that. And just keep running. This thing doesn't run for Linux, so any of you with Linux, guess that sucks for you. Crap. We need water, so I think there was a water in here. Wasn't there? I swear to God there was water in there, or I'm going crazy, one of the two. Where was it? Bunch of books. What is this? Knapsack. Potato. Tomato. Also, if you jump out the window, there's like a 50-50 chance you'll break your leg. I wouldn't really attempt any stunts in this game. I swear that water has to be in the town somewhere. I know I saw it. What is this? Bandage. 2 band-aids. Great crafting. See if they make anything. Dressing. And I can just equip that. There's more than 8 healing, I see. Oop, got an angry little butt after us. Look at him. These are the fast ones, the one on the pink shirts. So the ones with like super speed. I'm hiding behind the fence so it can't touch me. Okay. Let's go cut down a tree. Can I fall down yet? There we go. And then we're gonna go mine this thing up here. There, now we need one of these and 4 of these. Really hope there's 4 sticks because I don't have a saw. Oh, lucky. We got that. And there's our campfire. So I'm just gonna drop these on the ground. This is the only town I saved with barbed wire, so. Now if we do this, we collect this meat. I didn't want to collect that. And we do crafting, and then we click the fire button. I find that annoying, but then we don't get diseases from eating it. I'm just gonna leave that there because you can't pick anything up in the games. Looks like we're running low on water. Ooh, no, this one has a full bottle in it. This game is kind of fun because you can make your own base with it. I thought I could start up a new world, but that's only Minecraft. Which kind of sucks. Oh no! Don't eat my car, please. This thing's so. Holy shit. Looks like we lost the car. Oh, that is brutal. You want some drugs? Come on. Grab them. Come on. I know you want them. No. Ow! Oh, how's this car doing? You're frig off. I hate this hammer. Oh, I can't even see anything. What? Are you kidding me? How is the car stuck? What? You, piss off. I'm gonna hit it with a hammer. What? This game just keeps on surprising me. Yep. Now this car is on fire. Wow. Oh, do I have a band-aid or I'm screwed over? No! Crap, I'm dead. Ah. Anyways, if you like that game, go ahead and download it. It's really annoying when you die because you spawn random. Oh, never mind. I spawned like right at that house. Oh, there's no cars. Anyways, that had 2 of my canteens in it, so I think I'm gonna have to go get that. Really should have thought about bringing a blowtorch to fix cars. Gonna eat some cabbage before we go. Why are they so stupid? Juicy, fresh cabbage. Just listen to the sound. I'm gonna turn it up for you guys. Just so you can hear it. Are you ready for this? Isn't that beautiful? Anyways, if you liked it, great.